Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 50 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're going to be doing some more engine work, putting the air filter on. After looking at Dead Ringers, episode 50, obviously season 2 still. The maestro of the keyboard, Chandel. Hope to rewind Mara, pay off the black man hoodlum brother Harry, who is his twin brother by the sounds of it, because he's played by the same person, Liberace. There we go. Read all about that if you like. And there we've got Flash and Cyborg in there, Speed Force. Nice stuff. Nightwing, basically Robin in it again. Batman and the Outsiders, don't know who they are. Fair enough though. Right, so yes, this is what we got. The air filter for the top of the engine. So we've got to build that and then fit it in place. Fairly easy. Shouldn't take too long, and then we can put this aside until the next time. So, see you soon when I clear the bench. Right, this one's all about the AP screws, which we've got here. We're going to use most of them, probably one spare, so I'll keep one in there for now. We need one to hold this big bit onto the bottom of the air filter, like so. Will go in there. And two more will hold the top bit of that on there, like that. One in there. One more. That bit. That tightened down. Or tightened up. Whichever way you look at it. Get together. There we are. Then that bit just snaps it in place over the top. No screws required for that. Cool. Keep those bits to one side. We do need two more, which I was correct with, so I'll put that over with the spares. And they will be to hold this onto the top of the engine, which is here. That goes over the top of that, like that. And these two screws hold that together. Ready for this to attach to something else at the front. Sort of air vent, no doubt, because you've got to feed the engine with air as well as fuel. So that holds it in place on there. Covering over much of the stuff that we've already got underneath it. So there you go. And then that covers over the rest of it. They're closer together, so it's going to be that way around, I think. Feel about right? That does. That goes on there, and that just pops into the top. Right way round. There we go. That is that. I shall pop the hubcap things back in place on the wheels and put this aside, because that is the end of this month's pack. There is no more Batman. One of them's fallen off already. They're not a great fit, so that's why I took them off when I was manipulating it around. I might just give in and glue them in place. I'm not going to, no, because then you tell me to take the wheels off when I'm putting the body together. So, no, I'm actually going to leave them off for now. Put them inside in the spares box for now. But there we go. That's that. All coming together. It's actually stand up on all four wheels now. So, yeah, soon we'll get to do the interior and put everything together. So I'm looking forward to that. For now, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye-bye for now.